Personal injury advice. A personal injury is an injury that has occurred as a result of an accident that was not your own fault. The term personal injury refers to many different injuries that can happen as a result of many different accidents. Injuries such as head injury, neck injury, back injury, fractured/broken bones, whiplash, injury to legs, hands, feet, arms are all types of personal injury if they have been caused due to an accident that wasn't your fault. If you were involved in an accident that wasn't your fault and the accident occurred within the past 3 years, you've probably suffered personal injury and you may be entitled to compensation. If you have suffered serious bodily injury, you may have a personal injury compensation claim. You need to know that insurance companies do not always treat you fairly. Instead, you are likely to find a number of legal obstacles surrounding your claim. If you are unskilled in dealing with insurance attorneys and adjusters, you are going to be at a distinct disadvantage. Finding an accident lawyer is your best chance of getting properly compensated for the injuries and economic damages that you have incurred. Personal injuries aren't just limited to physical injury that can happen due to an accident. It also includes psychological injuries that can occur from either witnessing or being involved in a traumatic event. Personal injuries in terms of psychological injury can include depression, occupational stress and traumatic stress. All of these injuries can cause serious and unnecessary suffering and make life very difficult. Personal injuries can make it very difficult if you are out of work. Leaving bills unpaid, medical expenses piling up and living costs can quickly become overwhelming. If you make a claim for compensation, this can make paying bills, medical costs and living expenses much easier to deal with. Claiming compensation also makes recovery time much more painless. People often find that compensation helps to deal with the financial issues that arise as a result of any personal injuries. After all, the injury that you occurred was not your fault, so why should you have to suffer? http://www.accidentspersonalinjurylawfirms.com/ Francisco Rodriguez is the online marketing manager for personal injury solicitors who represent clients wanting to pursue a personal injury claim on a no-win, no-fee basis.